Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to export your WordPress website step by step. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to log in into your WordPress website. Once you get there, you simply click on plugins, after which you click on add new. So guys, we are going to be using this free plugin called the all-in-one migration, and actually the free version. So after that, you click on install now. So once installation is complete, you simply need to activate it. Okay guys, after that you simply click on all-in-one plugin. Click on extract. So after which you click on extract to. So guys, these are the various formats. So I'll simply choose file. So guys, this might take a while, so you simply need to wait depending on your WordPress website size. So guys, we just complete, so we are going to click on download. So guys, we are going to show you guys. So this is the download site here. Okay guys, we just successfully extracted our site, but if you want to import this site to a new website, I'll be leaving a link in the description box below how to import this extracted website to a new website. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial.